Okay, so we have more ideas, and of course it's going to start back with our magic frames.
Yes.
So we talked about how all you have to do is just like spray paint any frame that you find, yard sale, dollar store, whatever. And in this case, we put black paper behind it. But one of the tips and tricks that we've done with our celebrity clients is we cluster things. So for example, Pierce Brosnan is our client, and they have a house in Hawaii, and one of the things that Keely always does is have like a big bowl of beautiful pineapples or something, and it looks so decorative. So you could take any kind of fruit, whether you plan on eating it or not, and really use it as decor. So in this case, we clustered sunflowers. Again, you could get those at the farmer's market. You could, and it's just so much better when you have one type of something, because that's the tip.
Less is more doesn't apply here.
Right. Now, if you had less is more and you just wanted to put one of these blooms in just a simple vase, that's great. But just by taking only one kind of flower, you're set. Or taking only one kind of fruit. See, the reason that it works and it looks sophisticated is because if you did a big bowl of pineapples, it looks great because it's all together.
Right.
And so it's the same thing like we were talking before about the black rocks. If you had black rocks and glass and all kinds of other stuff, it wouldn't be good. It's good when you've got the one thing together and it makes a statement. And then another thing is I love to use plants and flowers. You could use these orchid plants or herbs. And here's why. A lot of times they're less expensive than having a cut flower arrangement.
Right.
Guess what? This is going to last.
I used to work for a flower store. Orchids are like mucho money for weddings, parties. These, I think you can get these for like, what, $8?
You can get them at Trader Joe's. You can get them everywhere, or you can even get them online if you want. But it's so nice because you can use them over and over, and you can have them at your house later, and the flowers aren't going to die. So it's just another option. The other cool thing too is just to take one kind of thing, again, cluster it. So we've got one kind of flower, orchids, even though we've got two shades, but they kind of are coordinated. The other thing is, if you want to get really like detail oriented, you can put some black rocks in here just to kind of tweak this, or you can put some black rocks at the base. And look, it just changes the whole, look, and you can have this and like one votive candle, and you're good to go.
Or even if going back to your other table stuff, it's like if you put black rocks here and then have black rocks over there, it kind of like ties everything together.
Ties it all together.
Simple
things, but it's kind of like when we're planning events, we talk about it as a through line.
Yes.
It's like you want the same, well, yeah, exactly. You want the same elements to repeat through your event. And this is such a simple way to do it and tie it all together.
Gorgeous.
Thanks.